Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another skincare product which name is Paula's Choice Triple Active Total Repair Serum. This advanced anti-aging serum is formulated with a high-potency blend of ingredients to visibly reduce lines and wrinkles, improve dullness and discoloration, visibly restore firmness and improve barrier function in as little as 1 week. Paula's Choice Triple Active Total Repair Serum is a 3-in-1 serum for wrinkles, dark spots, and loss of firmness. It is fragrance-free and paraben-free formula. This next-generation serum disrupts 3 key signs of visible aging with a clinically proven blend of hexylresorcinol, retinoid plus niacinamide. It contains niacinamide, other name vitamin B3, is very effective skin-restoring ingredient that can visibly improve the appearance of enlarged pores, uneven skin tone, fine lines, and dullness. It contains retinoid 0.3% retinol propionate. Retinol propionate is a vitamin A derivative that shares the same anti-aging benefits as classic retinol, but with greater stability. It contains hexylresorcinol, a proven antioxidant that also helps to improve uneven skin tone, preserve the skin's firmness, and fade dark spots. How to use it? Apply morning and/or nighttime as desired. After cleansing, toning, and exfoliating, smooth a few drops onto face, neck, and eye area. May be applied under your moisturizer. For daytime, always follow with a moisturizer containing a broad-spectrum sunscreen rated SPF 30 or greater. Final thought. This product is wonderful product. After using it for a month, my skin is smoother and more even-toned. I had some redness with large pores and both are reduced. My makeup looks better and I don't have to wear as much makeup. It also smooths fine lines plus give extra hydration. I'm very pleased with the results so far. Highly recommended. Thanks for watching.